installing the Apple Aphone, we must warn of some side effects of having the Apple Aphone installed into your brain are nausea, violent mood swings, change in personality, seizures, and potentially death. All Apple Aphone users must sign a waiver stating Apple is not responsible for any of this.